Hello everyone, welcome to another hair hack tutorial. Take your hair and tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Now divide the lower section into two parts and insert one section inside the gap of the other. Make a pigtail out of the remaining hair and roll it upwards and secure it properly with the help of a clutcher. You are done here. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail and then insert it inside with the help of a 5-leg Juda pin. Roll it upwards and downwards and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, roll the lower sections again in the form of a ponytail, roll it upwards, then secure it tightly with Juda pin again. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a higher ponytail, then insert it through the gap, make a ribbon-like structure, take the lower part, tie it again and then divide it into two, make it like a bow and then secure it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Now take the ponytail upwards and make a middle partition and then secure it properly inside it just like this and it looks like a Juda. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a higher ponytail. Make a gap, divide them into two parts and then secure it properly. Give it a fluffy look and then take the lower section, inserting it properly with the help of a Juda pin. Take your hair and then take a straightener, roll it upwards and then roll it downwards in the form of a circle and then secure it properly and decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, make plaits out of that ponytail, roll that ponytail upwards and downwards, securing it properly. It was so easy. Now take your hair, tie it again in the form of a ponytail and then take that ponytail, insert it through the gap of the upper part, roll that upper part and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin. Now take your hair, tie it again in the form of a ponytail but rolling it inwards and then securing it properly just like this. Now take your hair from the sides, tie it in the form of a pigtail or a ponytail, rolling it upwards, securing it, roll it downward. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail and then make it look like a plait. Then tie the plait, make the lower section again and then insert it through the gap, rolling it downwards and then securing it properly again with the help of a clip. Take your hair from the sides and tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Now divide the hair into two parts, insert it properly with the help of a clutcher and then you are done here. Take your hair and with the help of your fingers make a Juda and then secure it with a giant beautiful back pin. Thank you for watching.